Today I'm going to show you how to connect a streaming platform in OBS. Okay, so right here in OBS, what we're going to do is go into settings. Once you are in settings, you're going to go to stream on the left hand side. Up over here, you're going to choose your service. Now, this is very important. Depending on what service you're using, your setup will be slightly different. The setup for YouTube will be as follows. Now, I'm not saying that it's exactly the same or completely different, but your instructions when going through the process of connecting will be more or less the same, because you will be connecting an account and you'll have to have access to that account. Okay, so right now I'm connected to this account over here. I'm going to go ahead and just click on disconnect account. We are now disconnected. Now we have chosen YouTube RTMP. Here the server must be primary YouTube ingest server, and here we are going to click on connect account. You'll go through the process now of just connecting your account. It's very, very simple. And now, as you can see, it says again, connected account. Here it is. Let's go and click on apply. You'll see this little chat window come up. You can close that for now and then say, okay, let's close this puppy up. And then you want to click on manage broadcast. This will basically allow you to create a new broadcast. So give it a title, description. You can change the privacy, the category, and then you can change some of the other YouTube settings. Now, again, I want to just specify that this is YouTube specific. Okay. You can add a thumbnail and then some additional settings over here. Now, what you're going to do is click on create broadcast and start streaming if you want to start immediately, or you can click on create broadcast. All right, you can come back over here and click on manage broadcast. Again, you'll see all of your broadcasts, and this is the one that we actually just created now. So go ahead, select it, and come down here and click on open YouTube Studio. All right, this is now the content part. We're in live, and here it is right here. It does say that it's upcoming, so you can go ahead, click on it, and this is your live. Okay. So we have now this connected, and you can see that it's directly connected to my channel. And let's just go back in here. And if you make any changes, you can go ahead and click on save. Ultimately, from here, what you want to do is go back into OBS. And once you've selected this, you want to click on select broadcast and start streaming. And this will literally be live.